Good morning, folks. Yes, it is indeed Tuesday, and it's my last week of work before I go on holiday, and it's raining, it's miserable, and I'm in Rosie's car today. Oh, it's really throwing it down now, but my adventure yesterday could have been so much simpler if I'd taken my old maps with me. And it was thanks to Ian May who messaged me saying, you should have these old maps, Jack, because they're really good. Now, I never even thought about it. They've been sitting here in my car, and it mentions Rose Street. Rose Street is actually on it, and it would have saved me an awful lot of flapping about trying to locate where Rose Street was. Actually mentioned here in this Dundee West old survey map of 1901. So I should have, I mean, that's why I bought them, to use them, and they just sit here. Look, I've got the whole collection except for north somehow. So I've got east, south and west. Great maps, they really are fantastic. They've also got an old one here. What's this one all about? Dundee East and St Andrews. Got this one here, comes in a thing. I can't remember where I got that from. And what are these things? Oh, old monuments of taste idea. Right, anyway, there we go. I mean, look at the mess in my car, man. It's a shambles. Just maps lining the line everywhere. Goodness. What's in Jag's pockets, folks? That's what's in my pockets. 2 pairs of shades, E45, keys, a couple of spinners, a £1 coin, some indigestion tablets, and my wallet and my badge. That's what's in my pockets. Now tonight's ale, folks, is Goose Honkers Ale. I just like the name of it. I mean, Goose Honkers. Is that the honk? Is that the name? The noise a goose makes when it yeah, honks, doesn't it? That's what they say. Goose honks, and it's from Goose Island. So this is it. It is a fruity hop aroma, rich malt middle. Fantastic. 4.3%. Here we go, let's see what this is like. Excellent. Alright, so let's have a taste of the Honkers Ale. It's quite a dark ambery kind of colour. Here we go. Cheers, folks. Yep, nice and fruity. Yeah, I like that. It's good. Honk. Now, folks, my second ale of the night. Yes, a second ale is Hobgoblin Gold. I had this one a couple of weeks ago, and it was so tasty. I thought I must try that again. So here we are, trying it again, folks. Hobgoblin Gold. This one is a 4 point. Can I see these things? Goodness knows. Oh, there we go. A 4.5. Oh, crikey. So there we go. Oh, look at that. Looks good, man. Yes. So here we have a taste of the Hobgoblin Gold. As you can see, it's a golden colour. Look at that. So I'm going to enjoy this. Oh, smooth, man. Delicious. Now tonight we are cooking a stir fry. There's the basic ingredients. Back to the ale. And that's what's going in. Charwood spicy chisel.
Before or after?
It is before. Right, we're going to take the food bin out to the recycling bin in the street. Now, as a nation, we must use up, or waste, sorry, millions of tons of food. Because I mean, here we are, just myself and Rosie, and this is the amount of food. This is after 2 days, not even 2 days. This is what we're about to throw out, folks. Look at this. It's not obviously very nice to look at, but that's 2 days worth of food in there. Look at that. Not even 2 days, probably it's a day's worth. All right, there it is. We've got all sorts of stuff in there, man. I could feed a family of several in one of these deprived nations. Look at that.
Walking fast, walking very fast. Walking fast, walking very fast.
Let's actually see what's in there, man. Oh my god, look at that. Pile of food in there. So these are the bins that we have to use: paper, card and cardboard, metals, plastics and cartons, and this one here. But look at this one here, this paper one. It's chock-a-block, man, look at that. There's no room for anything in there.